All those numbers come from some of these books here. You know, got your pressure vessel stuff, your structural stuff, piping, and then all sorts of different other publications. Some of them are more important than others. A book like this, these are both published by the same people. This one goes over like where you're supposed to get your filler metals, your weld metal, you know, how they're manufactured, their strengths, their mechanical properties, all that good stuff. Some of these tables are pretty difficult to decipher. We got our setup here. It's been prepped quite a bit for this particular joint and application and everything. We're running our purge in through a very tightly fitting can that fits around the outside. Got the joint all taped up. We're trying to blast that argon into our weld zone, specifically where we're at when we're welding. And we've got a little breather hole to kind of equalize our pressure. We're gonna make running on our steel stainless TIG setting, 332 tungsten, roughly 1/8 inch material. That's our rod size, 113 amps on a remote with a high frequency start. Let's get some tacks in this bad boy. Alright, took about 5 minutes to get it tacked up. We got our purge going. You may be able to hear a little whisper in there. But the idea is that we're running a purge. We're getting shielding from both sides on this thing. That's going to keep our weld metal from oxidizing. Alright, let's take a closer look here. We have 4 tacks, open root. We've got it in the 6G position. It qualifies you for all position welding on pipes down to 3/16 of an inch and up to twice the thickness of this bad boy. That's a thick pipe. But what about the tape and the hose and drinking this here? So I don't know if you can tell. I'll try and turn the volume up. But we've got argon flowing through here on a splitter, and we're going to provide argon through our torch too. Here's our other side. So still using that tape to direct the flow of gas on the interior of the pipe. That's important. I'm welding it from the bottom up because argon is heavier than air. All right, this is a good example right here. See, I'm burning that tape up. That's not too good. That's not really what we're looking at. But what you can see, if you're real careful, is the smoke is being blown away from the weld joint by the gas that's flowing inside. That's what we want, positive pressure in there. We want to be monitoring that carefully. There you go, last quarter. Walking the cup. Making sure to tie in, overlapping. That's what we like. Red, white, and blue, baby. 4th of July is coming early this year. Woo! That's it, boys and girls. Sprued it out. It's hot passed. We're out of argon, so that's it for this weekend. You know, be good to yourselves and each other. Getting out on the river. Take her easy.